National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Love County in southern Oklahoma until 11 p.m. At 9:53 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size and damaging winds in excess of 65 miles per hour. This storm was located 3 miles northwest of Barneyville, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Marietta, Vacaville, Leon, Barneyville, Overbrook, Blue Bottom, Lake Lee, and Courtney. This includes Interstate 35 between the Texas state line and mile marker 24. Move inside a sturdy building until the storm has passed. The normal